Okay. We're in another snowstorm. I'm just in my car where it's warm, so you can see that it's snowing. It is coming down really heavy. And yeah, they're talking like tomorrow it's gonna rain. This was filmed technically Wednesday, so, just so everyone knows, yeah, that's still a snow pile there, but they're saying like tomorrow it's gonna snow into tonight, but tomorrow it's gonna be raining actually. Snow and rain. So, yeah, it's gonna be fun. Try to get to work by 8 a.m. tomorrow, Thursday. So, yeah, there's just a lot of snow. I did get a surprise this morning. If anyone ever knows if they watch, Pawn Stars, Rick Harrison has a barbecue restaurant in Nevada. I guess his restaurant now follows me. So it's like, well, that was a surprise. And it's not the actual guy, because some of them that are celebrities don't follow necessarily people they never met or known. So I do have an Instagram. My Instagram is at Vonner Rocks. I have a Twitter, which is at Lynn, and then there's a line Tater. You know. And then, of course, I got my business Facebook, which is Picker's Place. I don't really want anyone sending me friend requests or anything to my personal account, just for reasons. But I am on Vero too, and Snapchat. I barely use Snapchat, and now I barely use Vero, so I mainly am on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. So, but you know, that's the thing. That was the big surprise, but until the snow's starting to stick on the ground there. But not on pavement, though, as you can tell. But I don't know if that's going to turn to ice tomorrow. But right there you can see some of the snow. Yeah, I did yesterday when I was at Shopko, which was Tuesday, at the Chippewa Falls, when I put in their, fixtures for sale box. I put in a request to see if they would sell me their clock that says Shopko on it, that's in their customer service. I don't see why not, but I'm taking it as a no on the help call box, because they said that they are programmed to corporate Shopko, and I'm like, well, couldn't you basically unprogram them? So that way, these people that are asking to buy them could buy them, and then they'd be just basically do nothing. They'd be just like a light up box. And I suppose they would say no. So, like I said, and that's the thing, like with that clock, it's like, if they do allow me to buy it, I expect them to charge me either $10 or or $20, they're going to charge you for about around the price of a brand new clock. It ain't going to be too hard to get it off their wall. But then again, I don't know if they would really let you buy it, you know. So, yeah, it's a hard thing to say. So, and if they do let me buy it, I'll pretty much put it on the wall in another room. So, and it would have the newer Shackle logo. I could have put it in at the Eau Claire one where their Shackle clock has the 90s logo. So, they got an older clock, and yeah, I live in lower down than the one in Chippewa where I could have taken that down real easy. Well, knowing the person in service counter, they would have taken it down for me anyway. So, that's the thing. Even I've heard with some online through Facebook which is probably true, people saying Shackle won't let them buy certain things. It's not only the help call boxes. I guess it's like someone wanted the big Shackle food pantry sign that's hanging down in the aisle. And they said Shackle told them they couldn't sell that to them. And it's like, well, it'll probably go in their dumpster when they have to clean out that whole store, you know. That's a sad thing to say. And then you'll have dumpster divers at these certain ones. It'd be too hard to do that at the Chippewa one because you got Goodwill next door, you got Farm and Fleet, and you got Walmart. And you got a bunch of people that go to those stores. And it's a high-trafficked road that's on, so people would notice you. You know, I wouldn't dare do that, because it's like, well, someone might do it if it was around midnight where they know no one's going to be keeping an eye on them. You know, but then again, there might be cameras on around that building, too. So I'm pretty sure once they empty out that building entirely, they'll probably lock the doors and have alarms set and the camera's still going on the outside. So, yeah. Yeah. And that's the thing, too, is, like I said, I can't really promise at 100% that Shackle will let me buy that clock. They might say no. I'm sure there's probably other things that they say no to, but pretty much you can buy anything else in there. I'm not gonna even bother asking for the checkout lights because they'll say, which is an obvious thing, either they can't sell that or you'd have to buy the register with it. And they'd want over $1,000 probably. And that's what I would say. So even their coolers, they want over $1,000. And I'm like, a normal person ain't gonna pay you over $1,000 just to get one of your used coolers. Maybe in our store that's trying to start up, but, you know, not a normal person, you know. And then their half mannequins, they want $75 for, and then the full body, they want $150. And it's like my half body ones that I got from other stores, I only paid, $20 to $40 to $65. I got a full body baby mannequin for $65, and I think I paid $75 for a full body child mannequin minus the head. So, yeah. I don't want to say that to the liquidator because then they'll get mad. Because right now that liquidator thing I am technically a business. I'm Picker's Place Shop. You know, where I'm just trying to get into selling handmade stuff that I make personally, or I sell antiques that I get at garage sales if I think I can flip them. So,